There's no better way to start your day than with sun salutations. So let's get to it. So today's class is going to be a very quick move and breathe kind of class. So we're going straight into a bunch of sun salutations, starting with classical sun salutations, Vinyasa A and Vinyasa B. So I'm assuming you already know sun salutations in this one. If not, go and do some of our previous videos that are more beginner friendly before jumping into this one. To begin, step to the top of your mat. And let's go. We'll do at least 3 rounds of classical sun salutations. Inhale, press your feet, reach your arms up. As you exhale, begin to push your hips back and fold forward. Again, bend your knees if this is really early in the morning wherever you're practicing. Inhale, lunge back. Step the right leg far back. Drop in the back knee, keep your knee over your ankle. And then inhale, sweep your arms overhead if reasonable. As you exhale, let both hands touch the mat, lift the back knee and find high plank. Drop both knees here, press your hands, pull forward in your chest and bring your chest and your chin down. Inhale, lift your chest up, Bhujangasana, low cobra, elbows bent, toes to the back of your mat. And as you exhale, start to press your hands, lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, look ahead. And take a big step forward, lunging back into Anjaneyasana with your right leg. Knee over ankle, move the foot forward if you need to. Then inhale, hips draw down, tail drops and your torso lifts up, arms reaching up. Exhale, both hands on your mat, lift the back knee, either walk or take a big step in and fold it. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, big breath in. And hands at your heart center. So the whole idea of this is to build heat and to get everything moving. Second side, inhale, reach. Exhale, folding in. Bent knees. Now the left leg steps far back. Drop the knee and point the toes to the back of the mat. Right knee over ankle, sweeping your arms up. Inhale. As you exhale, touch the mat, lift the back knee, high plank. Draw the knees down, pull forward in your chest and chin. Now inhale, uncurl your toes, roll your shoulders back and press your hands and lift your hips up. Inhale here and step your left foot forward. Now if you're new and that transition is challenging, do this. Drop your knees first and then step your left foot forward and then take your time and adjust as you need. Sweep your arms up, inhale. As you exhale, touch both hands to the mat, lift and step in, folding it. Inhale, arms overhead and hands to your heart center. We're going to do 2 more rounds. I'm going to be adding the name of the poses if you are interested and the breath cue as well. Okay, so just do your best. If it's all too much, just focus on the breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, full fold into Uttanasana. Inhale, lunge back, right knee, Anjaneyasana, drop the back knee, arms up. Exhale, both hands on your mat, Shashtanga Namaskara, knees drop, chest and chin. Inhale, slide through, shoulders roll back, Bhujangasana. Exhale, curl your toes in and lift your hips up and back. Inhale, bend your right knee, step it through, drop the back knee, lift up, Anjaneyasana again. And as you exhale, both hands on the mat, Uttanasana. Inhale, sweep your arms up and hands at your heart center. Other side, inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left leg back, dropping the back knee. Take your time. Again, if this is too fast for you, go slow. Exhale, both hands on your mat. Find high plank. Shashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest and chin. Hips stay up. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, curling your toes in. Pick your hips up and back. Inhale, left foot forward, drop the back knee, sweeping the arms up. Exhale, hands on your mat. Stepping in, Uttanasana. Inhale, reach your arms overhead and hands at your heart center. So that's 2 full rounds of sun salutations. We've got 1 more round, so make sure you go all in with your breath. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, Uttanasana, full fold. Inhale, bent knees, lunge back, right leg, drop the back knee, uncurl your toes, reach your arms up. As you exhale, find high plank. Lower your knees, pull forward in your chest and chin. And then inhale, slide through Bhujangasana, low cobra. And as you exhale, lift your hips up and back. Inhale, look ahead, right foot steps through. Again, continue to breathe comfortably. And on an exhale, both hands touch the mat, lift up and step it in. Inhale, sweep your arms up and hands draw to your heart center. Last half, inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left. Drop the knee, reach your arms up. As you exhale, both hands down and find high plank. Lower your knees, pull forward in your chest and chin. Inhale, Bhujangasana, low cobra. And then draw back. Inhale, step the left foot forward. Sweep your arms overhead. And exhale, both hands down. Lift the back knee and fold in. Inhale, reach your arms. And hands draw down to your heart center. So there you have it. 3 rounds of classical sun salutations. If you noticed, there were some rounds where I went with my arms in front, and then some rounds where my arms went from the sides. Both are great for your arms, shoulders. I would do a good mix of both in our sun salutations. Now moving on, this is Vinyasa A. Typically, Vinyasa means flow and movement. There's a lot of jump back and jump forward in these ones. I'm not doing it because the camera will shake with the impact. So if the jumping is in your practice, feel free to take it, okay? So let's get started. 3 rounds of this without stopping. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. As you exhale, Uttanasana, folding in. Inhale, hands on your shins, halfway up. Lengthen through your spine, a little cobra in your chest. Exhale, bend your knees, step or hop back, high plank. Inhale in high plank. As you exhale, move forward, elbows close to the body, lower halfway or all the way down. And then pick up, roll your shoulders back, point your toes back, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. As you exhale, lift your hips up and back, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Just because we're moving, it doesn't mean that we are rushing through our morning practice. On your next in-breath, bend your knees, look ahead, hop or walk it forward. Come halfway up, lengthen through your spine, a little cobra in your upper back. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up and draw your hands to your heart center. Again, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen. Exhale, step or hop back, Chaturanga Dandasana, high plank. Now exhale, move forward, elbows close to the body, lower down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Roll your shoulders open. Straight arms here. Exhale, curl your toes, lift your hips up and back. Again, pause in Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog, and take a breath. Relax your face here. Now inhale, look ahead, bend your knees, either walk or hop to the top of your mat. Come halfway up, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep both arms up and hands at your heart center. It's a shorter sun salute. Okay, again, last one. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, find high plank and lower down. Inhale, lift, upward facing dog. Straight arms, chest comes through, point your toes back. Exhale, curl your toes in and lift your hips up and back. Inhale here. Stay there on the exhale. Again, remind yourself, we're not rushing. It's got a pace to it, but we're working with control. Now bend your knees, look ahead, either step or hop to the top of your mat, halfway up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach back up. And hands at your heart center. I really hope that you're getting warmer with these sun salutes. Now, Vinyasa B, it's a little longer, it's a little more rigorous. When you're ready, bend your knees, push your hips back, reach your arms overhead. Tailbone drops, ribs and belly in. Weight towards your heels. Inhale here. Exhale, fold again. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen. Exhale, plant your palms, step, walk or hop back, high plank. Inhale in high plank. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift up, open your chest. Exhale, find your way back to downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right foot forward. Spin the left heel to your mat. Press both feet as you sweep your arms up. Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Draw that right hip back, root the left heel. Inhale here. As you exhale, both hands touch the mat. If it's too much for you, go to down dog or meet me in high plank. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, sweep through, up dog again. And exhale, pick your hips up and back. Take a breath here. Inhale, left foot forward. Spin the right heel to your mat. And then root both feet strongly. Bend your front knee, lift up. Again, Urdhva, Hastasana in your arms. Square both hips. Go wider on your back leg if you need to. Inhale here. Exhale. Take it back down. Down dog or high plank. Lower slow. Lift back up. And take your hips up and back. Now pause in down dog. Continue to breathe. Find that steadiness in your breath. These can be very rigorous, especially if you are a little newer to yoga practice or if you haven't slept well the previous night. Bend your knees, look ahead, either hop or step. Halfway up, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Uttanasana, folding in. Inhale, bend your knees, push your hips back, lift up. You've got another round here. Exhale, fold it. Inhale, half. As you exhale, step or hop back, high plank. And lower down, move forward, arms close to the body, Chaturanga. And then inhale, lift your chest up, roll your shoulders back. As you exhale, pick your hips up and back. Inhale, step your right foot forward, reach your arms overhead, root both feet, square your hips. As you exhale, either go to down dog or meet me in high plank. As you exhale, lower down, pick back up and draw your hips back. So it's the same repeated moves every single set. Now left foot forward, inhale, bring it through, press the outer edge of your right foot. Sweep your arms up, inhale. As you exhale, take it back down. Same options, either down dog or high plank. Lower slow, lift up and draw back. This is a lot of cardio. It's good for the heart. It's good for the whole body to do this. Look ahead, bend your knees, hop or step all the way to the top of your mat. Come halfway up. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, Utkatasana. Hips draw back. You should be able to wriggle your toes in Utkatasana. And one final round. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come halfway up. Exhale, bend your knees, step or hop back, high plank, lower down. Pick back up, open the chest, point your toes back. Exhale, pick your hips up and back. Now go straight into it. Warrior 1. Inhale, right foot. Sweep your arms up. Take a breath. Exhale, down dog or Chaturanga Dandasana, so lower slow, lift up, take it back. Second side, inhale, left foot forward, roll the back heel, sweep your arms up. Exhale, same options, down dog or move through Chaturanga. Lift up and take it back. Again, settle in down dog here. Take a slow breath. Look ahead, bend your knees, step or hop, halfway up. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, Utkatasana. And exhale, Uttanasana. Stand tall, Tadasana. And just let your eyes close for a moment. And just take stock of your breath. And then slowly let the head drop and blink open your eyes. So there you have it, 9 rounds of Surya Namaskars or Sun Salutations, classical, Vinyasa A and Vinyasa B. One of my favorite yoga practices is a Sun Salutation because you get to do so much in a short span of time. It's great for your spine, it's great for your joints, it's great for circulation, it's great for breath. It's a wonderful practice, okay? So you can do this pretty much every single morning. It just takes a little under 15 minutes to get through all of this. And if you can't do a full elaborate hour-long yoga practice, this would work just as great, okay? So let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite Sun Salutation. I'll see you next week with another one. Bye-bye.